Hi everyone, I'm Professor Hélène Lambert, the Director of the Peter Macmullan Centre on Statelessness and Professor of Law at Melbourne Law School. And I'd like to tell you about our Statelessness intensive course. It is estimated that millions of people worldwide have no nationality and experience the exclusion and denial of rights that characterizes statelessness. While there's been growing attention to addressing this issue, especially in recent years by the UN High Commissioner for Refugees, much more work is needed to understand the causes, consequences, and solutions to this critical human rights challenge. Statelessness intersects with numerous other human rights issues, including racial and gender discrimination, children's rights, refugee protection, minority rights, socioeconomic development, and the fundamental right of identity under the law and legal personhood. Statelessness intersects also with armed conflict and climate change and disasters. This makes the course relevant to a wide range of professionals: government officials, international agency staff, NGO workers, human rights advocates, judges and tribunal members, as well as academics and students. The centre is based at Melbourne Law School, one of the world's leading law schools, and you will therefore enjoy sessions on the legal frameworks that form the foundation of the international law on nationality and statelessness and on the causes and consequences of statelessness. This foundation will be complemented with contributions from other disciplines, and so you'll learn from our centre team members who bring expertise in anthropology, history, political science, gender studies, and Asian studies, as well as from persons with lived experience. The course will be offered online over 1 week in February. Our teaching approach combines pre-recorded lectures and activities with 4 hours of face-to-face seminars each day via Zoom, featuring case studies, group work discussions, and interactive elements. Our program attracts diverse participants from many different countries and sectors who benefit from both the formal course instruction and their interaction with each other. You can read previous participant experiences on the website. A key value highlighted by participants is the professional connections formed during the course, which often develop into lasting global and regional networks. The daily 4-hour live online sessions are essential for fostering this collaborative learning environment. This interactive format is fundamental to the collegial course experience we provide. We've scheduled the 4 hours so that it conforms with working hours in most countries in the Asia Pacific and also, in some cases, further afield. We have limited scholarships and also an early bird rate. Numbers will be strictly capped, so please apply now to avoid disappointment. We look forward to meeting you in February and are excited to share our passion and knowledge of statelessness with you. Thank you.